Hi, I'm Michael K. Sahota, and I want to share that after 20 years of working with Agile, I discovered I've had it wrong. I've had misunderstandings about working with fixed scope and date projects with Agile, and I want to set the record straight for how to actually do it, how to make it work, how to create a win-win. So let's dive in. In Agile, we're told, and this is Agile sort of canon or dogma, that when you have a fixed scope, because the team has limited capacity, then the date will be variable. Alternatively, if you have a fixed date, then the scope will be variable. This is just mathematics, it's common sense. Why don't people understand it? Well, because it's not as simple as that. And reality is much more complex. So let's dive in. How do you actually deliver a fixed date and fixed scope project that may not seem possible at first? The starting place is with team investigation. The team can investigate what is the scope. And a lot of times when clarifying the scope of the work, we actually find out that it's actually possible. We discover the things that we thought we had to do, there's easier solutions to them. The next thing that can be investigated is the solution space. It's like, will it take so long to get this project done? Well, it's because we don't know how this technology works. We might be able to use this, we might be able to do that. When the team takes time to do technical investigations or spikes to figure out what's possible, then we actually just find out what's really possible or not. The final thing is the team. Every team I've ever worked with has hidden capabilities to learn more about their skills, how they function better together. So when a team actually looks at how they learn, pair programming and so on, the dates can fall in much, much closer. What seemed impossible before. And we've got, one of our graduates from our leadership training, he actually got a 3-year project down to less than 1 year by focusing on learning. So it's possible in most environments. There's untapped potential. So that's just within a team perspective, within sort of a typical Agile structure. All of this is possible. Now, beyond that, we have to look at what's beyond Agile. Well, Agile got rid of the managers, so we lost all the management knowledge and thinking that looks outside the Agile box. That's where we're going to go to next. From a leadership perspective, it's about changing the equation. What does that mean? It means freeing capacity on teams, descoping other features, other projects, other activities the team does not need to do or can move to other teams. The other thing that can happen is to add additional existing teams. So instead of just trying to get one team to do, you get multiple teams to work on it. Now there'll be some overhead and intercommunication costs, but you can get the project done. It's possible. You just have to make that a priority. The next option is to add talent so that whatever skill capability is limiting in the team actually gets a boost in that so it can deliver faster. The next possibility is to create a brand new team in parallel with your existing team. And what that does is it creates a group of people who do not have any bugs to fix, they don't have any technical debt, and they can just focus on creating the new project successfully. All of these are possible. Now, the challenge that we get into is really about fear and safety. Oftentimes when leaders ask this very reasonable question of, hey, can you get this project done sooner? Or can you get all the scope done by this date? Is that even possible? Can you go back and figure it out? People go into fear. They think, oh my gosh, they're trying to create a death march project. So the job of leadership is to create a safe environment, to create enough safety where people can say, wait a second, are you asking us to do the impossible, create a death march project? Or are you just trying to collaborate and work with us to figure out what's possible? And most leaders I know are well-intentioned. They're actually, hey, we just want to figure out what's possible. How can we help you? How can we work together? How can we change the variables so we can get this project done? And when we do that together, we create what's the best interest of the organization. I hope this is helpful for you. If you want to know more about how to create an environment where people can actually learn and co-create together, please learn more about our leadership trainings. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day and keep on agiling on.